In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an invoice tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to see who owes you, what's been paid, and what needs your attention next. First, open your Notion workspace and create a new page. Choose the table, full page option, so your tracker has plenty of room to grow, and give it a clear name like Invoice Tracker. This table will be your central hub for every invoice you send. Next, set up the columns you'll use to track key details. Rename the first column to client name and keep it as a text property for the company or person you're billing. Add a new text property called invoice number so you can reference each invoice quickly. Create a number property named amount and format it as currency to keep totals consistent. Add a date property for due date so you can easily see deadlines. Finally, add a select property called status. Create options like pending, paid, and overdue, and assign each a color. Green for paid, yellow for pending, and red for overdue works well and makes scanning the table faster. Now, create a new entry each time you send an invoice. Fill in the client's name, the invoice number, the exact amount, and the due date. Set the status to pending as your default when an invoice goes out. Be consistent with naming and numbering so you can search and sort without confusion later. Use the status labels to track payments as they come in. When an invoice is paid, switch its status to paid right away. If the due date passes and you haven't received payment, change the status to overdue so it stands out. Color coding helps you spot what needs action at a glance. To stay organized, sort or filter the table as needed. Try sorting by due date in ascending order so the most urgent invoices float to the top. You can add a filter to show only pending and overdue items when you want a focused list of what's still open. Save these as views if you like, such as all invoices and unpaid, to switch contexts quickly. Finally, update your invoice records regularly. Make it a habit to review the tracker at least once a week, adjusting statuses and due dates if needed, and confirming amounts after payments clear. Consistent updates keep your data accurate and your cash flow predictable. That's it. Your Notion invoice tracker is ready to keep your billing organized, transparent, and stress-free.